funded and focused spotlight. A profit clarity session gives founders a clear view of their business finances, uncovering hidden costs, cash flow leaks, and missed opportunities. While it can trigger strong emotional resistance, confronting these realities creates clarity, confidence, and focus. By analyzing recent income and expenses and delivering a simplified profit roadmap, founders gain actionable insights that drive growth, reduce financial stress, and position their business for funding and long-term profitability. It's not just about numbers, it's about taking control, making bold decisions, and turning clarity into results.